had an exciting project in the Soul Service studio recently. It was a Louis Vuitton Alma handbag. As you can see by these before photos, the leather, especially around the handles, were ripped, stained, and in really poor state. This bag was a beautiful restoration project that we decided to complete for the client and restore this bag to its former glory. And here's the after. We binded, sealed, and repaired the leather, and then painted in this striking high gloss black. Really love the effect of the black against the Louis Vuitton monogram pattern. And it's a great way to revive your handbag if your leather is very stained and beyond restoration. We really love this result, and we're so proud that we could restore this beautiful Louis Vuitton to see many more years of wear with her beautiful owner. Thank you.